Pick it up. Is it heavy?
The whole city, man, in San Francisco, you dig? I rep my shit.
Yo, what's up all my 49er fans? I got this from Ecrater. And let's open it up. I'm excited. So I want to see what it looks like. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint me. Ooh, okay. Okay. Keep on, stay there, keep on. Stay there. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. If I could get it open. Wow. Look at that. It comes with a chain. I don't need to use my chain. Look at that. It comes with a chain. Let's put it on. Oh, it fits. Throw this down on the ground. Looks nice. How do you like it, see?
Good.
Pick it up. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Seeing's favorite players right here. Oh, the glare. He's excited about it. Let's go look at it. I'm not really a big jewelry fan, but this one, it looks pretty good.